advances in technology make it feel like anything is possible. At Walmart, we're very excited about how
Has Scan and Go. You just scan your items as you put them in the cart, pay with a tap, skip the checkout line, and show your digital receipt at the...
What the? Are you like the cool version of me? Can you come to a high school reunion with me next month? Everybody still thinks I'm a dork, but I'm not a dork anymore. What a lot.
Thanks for making the effort to be here with us.
No, it's absolutely my pleasure.
And thanks for everything you've done to give advice to me and the company over so many years. It's really appreciated. I know that our companies have some things in common, and one of those things is that we believe technology should be put to use to enrich people.
More than any other retailer. And we've learned a lot about how customers use this service. One customer shared with us that she was in the middle of making a pot of chili when she realized she was out of chili powder.
As our operations and be powered by 100% clean energy well before our 2035 target.
And the expansion of drone delivery. And we've shown you what the transformation of our supply chain means for the